Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your milk powder. It's very easy, simple method you can make it. You see how it looks? You need just two ingredients, milk and sugar. Put your fry pan on fire and pour your milk and stir it. Don't remove the skin on top, let it be boil, until thicker. Let it be boil, You can set your fire to medium high temperature, and let it be boil. And you see it's turning to cream form. Continue stirring it, continue. And you see it's getting thicker now, it's getting thicker now, so continue. And now you can lower your heat, lower it, and continue stirring it. And now you can put the fire off, switch the fire off, and flatten it. Do the same what I'm doing it. Do the same. Follow me on Facebook. And let it be cool for 30 minutes. Prepare the baking sheet with lined baking paper. You see, after 30 minutes it's ready, so you take it into pieces. What I'm doing it, do the same until all finished, and let it be stand in the sun for 12 to 24 hours, or until you see it's dry. You can blend it, no water inside, no anything inside, and you transfer to your blender or anything you want to use to blend it. Share my Facebook page. Please add the sugar and cover it, and follow me on Instagram, please, and blend until smooth. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and press the bell there. Please help me to stay on social media. Please, the milk powder is ready, and you transfer to your glass jar. You can store this for 3 months. You need this milk powder for your ice creams, teas, etc. Thanks for watching my catering service.